Hi guys, today we talk about how can you select region on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the selection on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on language interaction here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to region here, just click on it. So then here can you select your region here. So then automatically it's going to add video and here can you search for it. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.